Welcome to Cincinnati, Ohio. We are in downtown Cincinnati, and that's what this video is going to be about. Stay tuned, and let's enjoy a walking tour here, see what the city's all about. Alright guys, so back here in downtown Cincinnati, Ohio, a beautiful look of the landscape here and the skyline around. Right there is the Kroger National Headquarters, located here in downtown. And I am standing in front of somewhere that is special to me because I've been now to 94 different locations of Hard Rock Cafe here in Cincinnati now. So yeah, I've been to 94 different locations around the world. If you have watched any of my videos in the past, especially the European videos, I take you to all the locations I visit on that journey. And I have been inside already, but I wanted to step out, get a little bit of a view of the rest of downtown for you guys before I take a stroll a little bit closer into the city center. Stay tuned for more. All right, guys, so I'm on the Kentucky side of the city, Newport, Kentucky, and looking back at Cincinnati and the Ohio River and this really cool park located in Newport, which is again, right here, just on the other side of the river from downtown. Wanted to give you a perspective from this point of view. The stadiums are over there where the Cincinnati Reds and the Cincinnati Bengals also play, in that vicinity over there. I'm going to try to take you over there and see if I can show you a little bit more downtown. But meanwhile, here in Kentucky, it's a nice suburbia kind of place. Some offices and a lot of really nice looking houses, apartments, and condos, as well as this cool park. So let's go back over to the Ohio side here in a little bit, and we'll see what else they have to offer over there. right, so over there is Paul Brown Stadium, also known as Paycor Stadium, where the Cincinnati Bengals play. So that is a football stadium right there. And back over that way is the Cincinnati Red Stadium. I will try to show you that here in just a moment. Big city. I'll throw up some stats about the city, some history, when it was founded, population, all that good fun stuff. And right there is Great American Ballpark, home of the Cincinnati Reds baseball team. Cincinnati Reds play right there here in downtown Cincinnati. Stay tuned for more. All right, guys, so what do you think of downtown Cincinnati so far? Big city, lots of people, lots of traffic, plenty to do. And right there is the Kroger world headquarters here, and the main building. Pretty neat mural here. One of the more fascinating ones I've ever seen. It takes up the entire side of this building here, Cincinnatus rather. 519 BC, 439 BC. Yeah. There's another mural there, a guy with a hat. Bet you can't guess where we're going. Skyline Chili. No trip to Cincinnati is complete without going here. It's gonna be yummy. Very. All right, guys, so I am at Jungle Gyms, which is the largest supermarket by square footage in the United States. And it's located here just outside of Cincinnati. Let's go in here and see what they have. All right, so what do you guys think of Jungle Jim's, the largest supermarket in America? Pretty big. Then go down every aisle. We're checking out though if you're in the area ever, Cincinnati. So glad to hop in there and show you a little bit about it. Well, what'd you guys think of downtown Cincinnati? Sorry to cut it short, but I am running out of time and I got to get out of here before rush hour. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to check out the rest of my videos